In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of a Gmail account across all devices. So say you've got one Gmail account signed into your phone, your computer, your iPad, and you want to just sign it out from all devices from one phone. So what you need to do is, unfortunately, you can't actually do this on the Gmail app. So what you need to do is you need to open up a web browser on your phone. I'm using Google Chrome, but Safari will work, any web browser really. And you want to head over to gmail.com. Once you're on gmail.com, you want to click on the three lines in the top left hand corner and then scroll all the way down and you should see mobile, older version and desktop. We're looking to click on the desktop here and it's going to take us to the desktop website. Here we can zoom in and you're going to see here your last account activity 0 minutes ago on this computer because it now thinks your phone's a computer. So click details and here you're going to get all the details from where your account is signed in. So I'm going to zoom in here. And you can see I've got browser, I've got all of these mobile sessions as well. And to sign out from all of them at once, I can just click sign out of all Gmail web sessions. And that's going to sign me out of my Google account across all of these devices. So that's how you do it, guys. Please leave a like if it helped you out. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers, guys.